Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find travel articles on booking.com, but first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I will show you my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First go to booking.com, scroll down at the bottom of the page and you can see the travel articles option. Click on that. And here will appear a lot of helpful and really interesting travel articles. Here are the several titles I want to show you, like 5 destinations for an unforgettable baby moon, Germany's most thrilling water parks, destination inspiration Moshi, Tanzania, and so on. So this is really helpful. Let's say click on one article and here you have informations, pictures, all you need. And at the top you can see different topics: eat and drink, health and fitness, beach, nature, destination, future of travel. So yeah, I read a lot of them and they are really interesting. I hope that you will find some interesting articles as well. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.